In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Miro not so blocky. A lot of Miro boards end up looking rigid because of sharp corners, heavy borders, and perfect alignment. The quickest way to soften that look is to adjust the styling of your shapes, especially rectangles, so they feel more modern and less boxy. Start by opening your Miro board. Once you are on the canvas, go to the left toolbar and click the highlight tool. This helps you call attention to an area of the board while you work, and it also makes it easier to see the changes you are about to apply. Next, click Rectangle. Then click and place a rectangle on the board, or select an existing rectangle if you already have one. Rectangles are usually the main reason a board feels blocky, so improving one of them is a great place to start. Now click Highlight again and continue clicking Highlight as needed to keep your focus on the shape you are working with. The goal here is simply to keep the rectangle clearly selected so the formatting options stay available. If your selection ever drops, just click the rectangle again so Miro shows its style controls. With the rectangle selected, click Border Style, Opacity, Corners, and Color. This is the key menu that controls how harsh or soft your shape looks. From here, increase the corner rounding so the rectangle has rounded corners instead of sharp edges. Miro rounding creates a softer, more organic feel, and it immediately reduces that stiff, grid-like appearance. While you are in the same panel, you can also adjust opacity and border styling. A lighter border and slightly softer opacity can make the shape feel less like a heavy block on the page. You can also change the border color to something less intense, which helps the board look cleaner and more balanced. After you apply those settings, click Highlight again to keep attention on the updated shape and confirm the visual change. If you have multiple rectangles, you can repeat the same selection and styling process so your board stays consistent. Once you have a rounded, lighter-looking rectangle, your layout will already feel less blocky and more polished. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.